Hello traders, hope you're having a wonderful week so far. We here are having also a wonderful week. So far we have gotten 2 trades, the 10th trade and the 11th trade of the week. That's $7,930, the 10th trade, 11th trade, $18,201, and I updated you using reels. So you can check the 2 previous reels before this video. You get to see I updated you. For newcomers, we're doing a challenge where we started with 5,000 USD and I give you setups. I don't tell you to trade because this is not financial advice channel. I just educate you, but I do take those trades on confirmation and everything. So currently we are at net, we are at $179,601. This is $182,748 is before commission. So after commission, we got so far on all these trades, this is our net profit so far. And I think I should find a new broker because damn, this broker is charging me expensive when it comes to commission. Because like on this trade, someone was telling me the commissions are too high. You know, I've always been used to it. The 10th trade, I got $7,930. They charged me $1,000 commission. I'll overlay it on the screen. You'll see it there. And yeah, but it's life as long as we make money. So today we are starting with Gbpusd USD. We are starting with Usdchf. So far so good on this pair. We just got we saw this order block, this ICT order block, which had held for some time, get broken. So it was swept above and just confirming the order flow was already bullish. So if you're taking along, good. But let's say I draw a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom there, it makes sense that the market is going back to a premium area. So we are above 0.618, but ICT traders trade with 0.7 and sometimes 0.8 because there's an ICT order block, I think, on the daily and inverse or 4-hour time frame. Here there's an inverse one, but me, I always look at this, then we see the manipulation here, then maybe markets have come to retest there. So we'll see what will happen. But remember, we have a Fomc, we have NFP this week, so I'm not in a rush to put any trades this week so far as I'm concerned. I'm just here to update you guys, so we'll see what will happen from here. But so far for new traders, this is our progress and we are killing it so far. So remember, my target range for USDCHF is this area, buy area, this area from this support up here to here. I believe the market should make the next high low before going high. So we'll see what will happen. For in-depth analysis on this pair, you can always check my other videos. This is just an update. Remember, this was a POI we drew back in October last year. Prices have sold and we're still in the trade, and we closed some 90, we left just 10% of the positions running, and I'll overlay it on the side of the screen, you'll see. So yeah, we'll see if it's 10%. Even if it goes for a loss, I don't care. I got my money. Just want to get my theory right that markets must come back here. I know it's not good to have a fixed mentality. That's because market dynamics changes, so I never have a fixed mentality on it must do this, it must do this. No, there's always news, there's other factors which affect the market. So never have a fixed mentality. Always trade what you see, not what you think, end of the day. So make sure you also pay yourself, okay? And we have paid ourselves so far this week. These are our handsome profits. So far the challenge, we're killing it. We're almost at $200. Almost reaching $500,000. We've given ourselves 6 months. No rush. This is our 2nd month. Take it slow. We take it slow. So another pair I want to analyze, GU. Told you guys about GU. This is the same thing. We'll push it down there. I told you about GU that now we are bullish. Why? Because we have, what's that fancy ICT word I used in my last video? Can't remember. Change of. Damn, I can't remember. But this order flow, we were on a downtrend, but now we have, we're mitigating all these zones. So no, mitigation is this. No, we are breaking above the order flow. So we've broken above this order flow. We have broken above this order flow, and I told you guys last weekend we were here. So on Sunday, my analysis, but now we have broken above. So this was the area. Now it confirms to me that prices are now, we should now stop looking for sales and start looking for buys now. So in case of anything, I'll always update you guys. I don't see a clear setup. Maybe if I get a correction to the downside, I might update you guys, but so far on this pair, I don't see any good setup for now, unless I'm scalping on the lower time frames, and that's not my style. I'm a swing trader most of the time. Next, we check on gold. What's happening to gold? The markets are moving sideways. If you haven't noticed so far, markets are moving sideways. This is on the 2-hour time frame. In-depth analysis, just check my previous videos here. I'm just to update you guys. So what's happening right now? I gave you guys a target. We were here on the weekend when I gave my last analysis here, and I told you guys it just makes perfect sense that the market has to come target here. Why? Because lots of retail traders had their stop losses where there, because remember that was the last high here, there on this candle there, that was the last high. So it made sense because retail traders were selling, and I'm sure all of them had their stop losses there. And I told you guys that's my target. I drew it over the weekend. I told you that's where the 5th wave will end, and so far so good. We have seen, just made perfect sense, and we get to see after the manipulation, all those all that liquidity collected, we get to see now market coming down, either for a correction or because end of the day efficiency, I feel, was last beautifully offered maybe around here. And we have a fair value gap, so we always target the fair value gap and all that. And I told you this is the pivotal point. So right now we are in this sideways movement. Elliott wave, we have B wave, A wave, we have the B wave. So I see maybe the C wave being down here, maybe it can go lower into this pivotal point. And I told you guys, if markets will be bullish, order flow will change here and go to the upside, but my bearish sentiment or bias will come after we break below this zone, retest and go down. So that retest, maybe I might take a trade to the downside if I like it. So if I like the order flow there, I might take it. So yeah, that's gold. Remember markets, we have NFP. For news, you can always just come here to Forex Factory. Today is Wednesday. We had lots of heavy news in the morning, especially on Audnzd, on Audnzd, I mean. Here NSD, red folder news. Then at 9 p.m. we have FOMC meetings. FOMC meeting minutes. Then Friday. Why can't I see NFP on Friday? Oh, it's not the first Friday of the month. Oh, damn. Sorry guys. It's 22nd. My mind is not here. Sorry. So, where else should I go? A pair I analyzed for you. The pair we got profits from this week. Audnzd gave the analysis during the weekend. So let's come see what happened. Based on my reels, although I'll overlay them both on the screen, you'll see them. We had 2 entries on this pair. We had 2 entries. We had the first entry here, second entry we had here, because depending on the broker you use to analyze your chart, there was a gap up here. Also, this candle looks weird. It looks starting from here, like candles are continuing, then yeah, there was a gap up at market open. So, but we took the trade to here. Then I told you guys I was analyzing on the 5-minute chart, so the order block here on this candle got broken, and I closed out the trades. Most of my trades I closed them out here. You can see on the reel, closed them out there. I waited for prices to come down. I updated you guys. I told you markets are coming down to fill that inefficiency that left in the morning. Remember, the markets strive to be efficient, so there was a gap up in the morning. It had to come down, and we filled that gap up with, I think, this area, and we saw a bullish move to the upside. Most of my trades I took them here because on the 15-minute, drew the trend line like this. we saw prices breaking above here, and I took all of my positions, if not all, most of them here. But here was my ideal entry. I'd marked it out on my chart here. I was like, this is my ideal entry, but I was like, you know, let me wait for like a break of structure or something, because you know markets might continue going down. I was like, yeah, let me just wait for a break. I took some trades here, and that's where we got to the 18,000. I updated you guys also on the reel when I took the trade. Then I saw markets are respecting this resistance line. We see a rejection there, rejection, 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 rejection. Prices weren't closing above, and I was like, in the morning we have news on NSD. Wednesday, I was like, we have news on NSD here. So I was like, yeah, it's better I close them out, and I did the right thing, because at market open, when I woke up in the morning, I saw this huge move to the downside, but this support is a holding price. There's this order flow here, so I'm yet to see what the clear picture of this pair is. But traders, we were prepared for our bullish move. But yeah, that's why we say the market change its dynamic. Doesn't go sometimes the way you want, but you have to be there to manage your risk, to break even. You just don't put a trade and be like, yeah, I'll wait till end week to check it out. We don't do that here. So another pair I'll want to analyze was Brent oil. What happened with Brent oil? I didn't take the trade, and I have told you guys on Monday on the reel, I didn't take the Brent oil trade. I only took the Audnzd. I remember last week I was so tired, I told you guys break of character. It's change of character, but I corrected it on the video. I wrote it, the last video. So here we had a sweep below. We didn't have a change of character here. So you see markets came, and you know, when you see order flow on the 5 and the 15 minute time frame, we saw order flow coming down, and this is a resistant area. So yeah, I couldn't take the trade. I thought I'll wait for a break of structure above, then a retest. So we didn't get that retest, and currently prices are here. Actually, there was order flow also here. It was broken. It was like this, but it was broken. This was this order flow, this order flow. Although the first one I always say it's IDM inducement, then the second one hold, but it didn't hold price, so prices broke below. So I'm yet to see, but there's a lot of liquidity on oil just below here. Let's see, all the bullish POIs are being respected till we came here. Order flow. So we're at choke point or something. Now clear bias for me, because I'm a swing trader. I don't care about scalping and all that. So I'll see if prices will break above, because you see just prices are rejecting on this area. So yeah, we'll see what will happen. In case of any analysis, guys, just feel free to comment below. You know I'm your boy, and I'll always help out in anything, be it stocks, be it I'm willing to analyze that for you. But this week I think I'm done for now, because we have lots of news this week, red folder news, and yeah, I don't want to risk spoiling our journey so far. I don't want to mess it up. We have made good progress so far. 11 trades, 2 months, all of them in profit, to the smallest being $39, which was the 8th trade we took on Bitcoin during the weekend, because I was bored. Then the biggest trade we had was 6th trade, $58,000. That was on gold. The first trade we took, I remember, was a buy on Usdchf. So we have come from far, guys, and we shall maintain the discipline, the risk management. That's how we grow. So continue following up. We'll hit 500,000 really soon, and I hope you guys are following and, you know, want to grow as bad as I do. And I'll start the challenge again as soon as we reach 500,000. I'll start the challenge again, or I'll continue with that one and also start another one, but with a lower amount, because someone told me, you can start with $1,000, draw it up, we see how much it can go. We started with 5,000 this time, so I'm just willing to do what you guys want me to do. So yeah, you guys have a good week. After news, maybe I'll update you guys. We'll have a clear direction, or we'll get to see which directions the market will follow. But for now, it's too risky to trade. Let's just leave it at that. But 2 trades so far this week, Monday, Tuesday. It's good. And if we don't get another trade for the week, we're still good. But I'll try make sure I get another trade for you guys and update you, so that we can end the week with like 4 trades. Yeah, so have a good day, guys. God bless you, and cheers.